Ever wondered why manhole covers are round? The question of why manhole covers are round was made famous by Microsoft when they began asking this as a job interview question. Now before we get into why exactly manhole covers are round, please do subscribe my channel, and now let's get started. So, manhole covers are round not just for one but due to many reasons. Let's understand what they are one by one. Firstly, manhole covers are round because it is the best shape to resist the compression of the earth around it. Next, a round manhole cover of a particular diameter has a small surface area than a square cover of the same width. This means that less material is required and thus low cost. Also, circular covers needn't be rotated to fit into the manhole, and it can be more easily moved by being rolled. But perhaps the best reason why manhole covers are round is because a round cover can't fall through a circular opening, whereas the shapes like squares, rectangles, etc. might fall into the hole while inserted diagonally. And now it is time for some fun fact. Did you know that Nausea, New Hampshire is famous for having triangular manhole covers? Other triangular manhole covers exist in Hamilton and San Francisco. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe our channel and comment your thoughts on this video on the comment section below. So bye bye, stay tuned.